It's definitely a bit of a struggle trying to like come up with ideas to like videos for my logs because I feel like I have made so many log videos and sometimes like I'm watching them and I'm like I don't want to say the same thing. I feel like lock updates get repetitive, especially when nothing has changed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia. This is the Asia Way, and if this is your first time here, go hit that subscribe button for me, baby, because we get lit over here. Period. So, as y'all can see from the title, I wanted to give you an update on this move. It's been almost a month since I've been in this new apartment, this new space, and I wanted to just talk about how your own peace, having like your own peace, really can make a difference and impact your mental health. A little bit of background. I've been living, prior to living here, I've been living in the same area for almost all my life. I lived in a city where it was always just a lot going on, very fast paced, aggressive people. And like, oh my god, that was like a very cute pigeon. I don't even know if that's a pigeon. What are the white birds called? Eagles? Seagull? Eagle? Anywho, I lived in an area where it's just always a lot going on, and I was just flying, just living its best life. Love it. Area where there is always a lot going on. Everything is fast paced, and sometimes I do feel like that has contributed to my heightened anxieties. Yeah, just the area. I hated driving. Like when I first got my license, I did like to drive because it was like my little bit of freedom, independence. But overall, I did not like to drive for real. Yeah. I am very peaceful here. Like I feel like the town is peaceful. Um, it's interesting. You go from living into a house with like so many people, so much is always going on, to moving into a place where it's literally just you and your partner. And I work remote, my partner doesn't, so I'm literally here by myself a lot of the times. And it really makes you realize how peaceful I am about to show y'all. Like, this is beautiful. Like, they are just living their best life, and I love it so much. Like, I love it. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so it's been really peaceful here, and it definitely has impacted my mental health in a positive way. Sometimes it's literally too peaceful, and I'm like, my anxiety will try to like creep up and be like, something ain't right. When it's really the fact that like I'm so used to chaos. I'm so used to chaos and fast pace and something always happening, that this is like so new to me, and it's taking like some time for me to get used to it, but I'm getting used to it. I can honestly say, shout out to the train. I can honestly say that I love it here. I love the peaceful vibe. I love having my own space to do what the hell I want. Little life changes, I'll be going to the gym on the weekend now, getting myself right. I meditate more. I bask in mindfulness meditation and deep breathing a lot more. I feel like I am happier. Like I'm happier, and I practice gratitude more often and daily affirmations more often. And that really contributes as well to my satisfaction here. And I don't know if y'all could tell or y'all could see it, but I really am happy. And I look forward to making more content and, interacting more with you guys, letting you guys see who I really am, because you know there's more to me than just my locks, my beautiful locks that are about to be